Alright, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog, I guess we could call this. I don't have much to vlog given the situation, but I figured I'd get back to it, get the camera out, and kind of do an introduction for an interesting flying session today. Got the firm core, 5-inch Cinewhoop, 7-inch sort of long-range cinema rig. So I'm gonna try to mix it up today, do a flight edit with all four, which is kind of different than just like a Cinewhoop edit or just a cinematic edit, just a 5-inch edit. I'm gonna put everything in one and see how it goes. So this will be interesting.
In your night is pleasure, boom, cheap pleasure. Galing every corner. Pull the pylons down and wrap them around the necks of all the feckless men that queue to be the next. Fingers ring, la 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 leader. Choir. In your hoop lies a heartland with a tempo. Our treasure, pleasure, it's all in your eyes. In your snatch with pleasure, a boom, cheap pleasure.